welcome back to our Monday Live with MJ and attorney 𝗟𝗏, where we kick off the week on a brighter side. Last week, we differentiated react and response.
Today is Labor Day. Many of us are enjoying some of the well-deserved rest and a long holiday weekend. But Labor Day is more than just a day off. It's a time to reflect on its deeper meanings.
That's right, Sean. Spiritually, Labor Day connects us to the very essence of creation. For example, think of a craftsman shaping the wood into a beautiful piece of furniture. Each stroke of the chisel isn't just about the final product. It's about the connection between the creator and creation. A celebration of the divine spark in each of us that drives us to make something meaningful.
Humans. When it comes to creation, humans, we have a tendency to design machines where everyone is indistinguishable, sharing identical features. We take pleasure in control. We prefer to avoid interactions with those who are less informed, less wealthy, or even more complex than ourselves.
God, when it comes to creation, God designs all of us human beings with unique features, each distinct and irreplaceable. God delights in diversity. He embraces all regardless of their knowledge, wealth, or complexity, valuing each for their individual worth.
Emotionally, this holiday reflects a moment to appreciate the fruits of our labor. Picture a teacher who, after a long school year, sees their students graduate. That emotional payoff is seeing the growth and success of those they've nurtured. Labor Day is a reminder to take pride in those efforts and to feel the satisfaction that comes from knowing that you made a difference.
Physically, this day is a chance of rest and recharge. Imagine a construction worker who has spent months building a new structure. The body has endured strain and exhaustion. Labor Day is a well-deserved break to let those muscles recover, whether through a relaxing day at the beach, a leisurely bike, or simply catching up on a sleep.
Socially, Labor Day has roots in the labor movement. It's a testament to the power of the community of collective action. Think back to the historic march of the workers in the late 1800s demanding fair wages and reasonable working hours. That collective effort changed the course of history and laid the groundwork for the labor rights that we enjoy today. Celebrating Labor Day honors that legacy and reminds us this is an ongoing fight for fairness in the workplace.
Here's to honoring the work we do, the rest we need, and the progress we've made together. Happy Labor Day, everyone!
Happy Labor Day, enjoy the day, and let's keep the spirit of the holiday alive within us. Now for our 8K before 8 a.m., how'd we do this week?
Let's see.
Yesterday I did 8,500. The day before we did 13,500. That was the long leisurely walks we did on Saturday. It's getting better. How'd you do today?
Today I only have 2,800. Thank you. See you next week, everyone. Ciao, everybody.
Happy Labor Day. Thanks for watching our video today, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. If you'd like to follow us on our other social media links, they're right here. Have a great day.